Welcome back to my YouTube channel All Exam Preparation. So hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today we have Happy here and today we are going to debate on this topic. The topic is two-wheeler. Should we have a two-wheeler vehicle or four-wheeler? So I am in the favor of four-wheeler vehicle. Like we should have four-wheeler vehicle and his thoughts that we should have two-wheeler. So now if I talk about myself, so my name is Noordin, as you know, and if I talk about my English, I have been learning English since last 1 year. So let's start.
So hello guys, my name is Happy and I have been learning English since last 8-9 months. Now we are going to debate. He has already told you that topic. So you are in the favor of four-wheeler. So I am in the favor of two-wheeler. So if we have two-wheeler compared to four-wheeler, it is better than, because it is easy to drive. If I talk about four-wheeler, it's drive too hard. You have to learn it, how to ride, how to drive a car. But if I talk about a two-wheeler, you can learn from yourself and you can learn anywhere and if I talk about four-wheeler, you have to do a course for that thing.
So you want to say that if you have a two-wheeler,
Yes.
you can learn it yourself
Yes.
without any person. And if I talk about four-wheeler, you can learn also to it without any person. You can learn it yourself. I have seen my brother. My brother has learned it through himself. He has not.
Four-wheeler.
Yes, he does not have any person who can teach him.
He did not have.
Yeah, he did not have any person who could teach him. That's why, and he learned it himself. And if I talk about motorcycle, like bicycle, sometimes we can't learn easily. We must need other person. Like if I am going to learn some like some vehicles like motorcycle and bicycle, we don't know. But we have to take some person's help. Like if I am riding a bike, I don't know how to ride it, so I may help from you, like how to gear, how to handle bike, how to stop it. I can learn from you. So how can you say these things? If you want to learn four-wheeler, you would not need any person.
Told me that thing. Without any partner, you cannot learn bike. But how can you say like this? Without any partner, without any guidance, you can learn. Drive a car, because if you want to learn drive a car, that is hard for you. But if I talk about two-wheeler, you can ride easily and you can handle yourself. But you must have a teacher about if you want to learn car. And if I talk about benefits, if you have a two-wheeler, you have so many benefits and you can go anywhere anytime, and you have some space you can put your two-wheeler. And if I talk about four-wheeler, if you have less space, you cannot fill that four-wheeler. You must have so much space for keep it. That's why two-wheeler is good.
Okay, but how can you say two-wheeler is good? If I talk about we are we are 7 members in our family, and if we want to go somewhere, so how can we go somewhere like by our bike? If I talk about four-wheeler, we can go there with all of them. And if I talk about motorbike, we cannot ride it every time, because like suppose we are going to drive almost 50 to 60 kilometer. If we would ride a bike, we would be tired, and we would be tired. And if I talk about four-wheeler, you can ride it almost 100 kilometer easily and 150 kilometer. Yes. And if I talk about bike, if you are riding a bike,
Okay.
then there would be 2 to 3 facilities you have to face. Like if you are riding a bike, if someone is coming towards you, then you would have that fear, he would not hit me. So that was my point.
Okay, if you are driving a car, you you can be you can be tired because you are sitting one seat long time. You have it can be you have a pain. You have back pain in your body, and if I talk about two-wheeler, you can you can easy to ride a two-wheeler without any person. And if I talk about, I think four wheeler has not that much thing like two-wheeler. Two-wheeler anyone ride, but four-wheeler anyone not ride, not drive.
But how can you say this thing? Every person cannot ride four wheeler and every person can ride two wheeler. I have seen many people who cannot ride two wheeler, but they can ride four wheeler like trucks, some cars and some other things also. They can ride all of them, but they can't ride bike. And if I talk about four wheeler, it has that much energy and it has lots of strength. And if I talk about two wheeler, it doesn't have that much strength. Like if I talk about a tractor, as you are seeing here, many people are feeling some goods like some sugar cane and some other things as well. So they are having it, and if they are using by two wheeler, so how can they protect all of them? How can they receive? How can they transport like some sugar canes through the two wheeler? So that is the thing. Four wheeler is necessary for to have.
But why do you want to receive things four-wheeler? You can do this thing by bike. You can join your bike, your tractor trolley
Okay,
like this, and you can drive.
Okay, let
It
me
is good. It is real. It is true.
Okay, but it does not have that much energy. It can't take very heavy weight. Like if as we came by by the bike, if we would sit 8 to 9 people, so could bike came? Could bike receive us?
Yes,
It could not.
it could receive us because you should have two motors about bike, and you can fill and you can easily receive your things, and you can carry anywhere if you want to go anywhere.
This is a necessary thing. You cannot use two engine and two motors in a bike. How can it possible? Like there is a bike. How can you use two engine or two motors in that bike? And if you would use, but you cannot you cannot transport like 100 kilograms weight and 1000 kilogram weight. How can you transport?
Okay. If you have a lot of money and if you have a good an engineer in your relatives, and you can modify your bike, and you can put you can modify your bike like a tractor. Like you should have two motors and big wheel about like a tractor, and you can transport your things and whatever you want to take from it, and you can transport your sugar cane like whatever you want. How can you say like this?
But every person is not a scientist, and every person is not a scientist. Every person hasn't that much money. So how can you say these things?
So
Can you afford that bike? You cannot afford. Even though if you would have this opportunity, like there is a bike, and if someone is your father is asking to you that you should purchase this one or this one, and you have to work relatives to your your chose work. I was talking about farm work. If you have your farm work and other work also related to transportation, you would select both of them. Which one is four wheeler? And if I talk about in wedding, many people are giving two wheeler and they are not aware about this thing. They are asking to four wheeler. Why are they asking four wheeler? Because they think that if we would have four wheeler vehicle, we would have good opportunity. We would can do everything. We would do everything through the four wheeler.
if I talk about that damn thing, that yes, that is a gift only. That is not a. They don't think about it.
Let me tell you.
That is the gift for his daughter, like daughter.
But the point was that it doesn't matter that was gift or not. If, suppose there is a bike and there is a tractor or there is a car. If your father is asking to you which one would you like to have, so which one would you like to select for both of them?
I would like to select bike. I would like to select motorbike
Why would you like to select motorbike? Why would you like to select motorbike?
because I am fond of riding a bike. That's why I would select it.
Okay, but every person is not fond of riding a bike. Like if I talk about my brothers, my brother is fond of riding a tractor, so driving a tractor and a car, but he is not fond of.
So why do you have bike? Why are you coming here from bike? And why did you pick me from bike?
Okay, because I could not purchase a tractor and a four-wheeler. That's why I was unable to purchase that vehicles. That's why I could not purchase, and we came through the bike by the bike.
That's why you have bike. That's why you cannot purchase. That's why I am talking about this thing. You have bike. That's why you are taking to me. You are keeping me.
Okay, but
And
but if I did not have motorbike, so how could it possible? How would you come?
because you can come by tractor because you don't have. That's why you have less money. That's why you have bike. If you have a lot of money, you can purchase. That's why I'm saying this thing. If you have a two-wheeler, that is good for you. But if you have four-wheeler, you cannot go there.
Okay, but if I would have four-wheeler like some cars, so we would come by that car.
Because you don't have money, how can you say like this?
But every person hasn't that much money, and every person is not poor, and every person is not rich. So what do you think about those people who had a good vehicle? They had 2 to 3 vehicle and 4 vehicle. They are not having motorbike there. Why? And if I talk about in cities life, maybe most of the people have four-wheeler and they want to have. Why? Because they think that it's very beneficial to have. And if we have a motorbike only, somewhere we can't go somewhere. Like if they are going somewhere and they are 4 to 5 people, they want to go with together. So how could it possible? How can they go by the bike only? If they would go, but what about police? Police would cutting their challans. Chalan, you can say.
Okay.
Yes.
So, but you can take so many bikes, but you cannot keep so many cars because if we want to have take so many cars, we must have so much space. And if we have so many bikes, we can take because we have less space and we can take and we can go anywhere.
If you are purchasing a 2 to 3 bikes, so how could it possible if you could purchase that? And if you are purchasing 2 to 3 bike, you can purchase also 4-wheeler because it is very beneficial. And as you said, if people are going somewhere, like they are 4 to 5 member, and they even though they could not afford a bike, they could not go with the bike because they are 5 to 6 members. So how it is possible if they would try, the police officer or the who cuts challan, they would cut your challan, they would ask you for 5,000 rupees something like that. So how could it possible?
I can take these things.
Okay. It is happening in villages only. It is not happening in cities. As you see in villages, people they are riding a bike. They are having 5 to 6 member, 5 to 6 student or people in a bike.
I think we should finish it.
So, are you agree? You are defeat. Okay, so friends, if you liked this session, don't forget like, share, and subscribe this channel. So, if you have some doubt like how related to English journey or related to other things also, as well as studying, you can drop me a message into the comment box. I would